Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just yesterday I made a video on this, and then I started thinking this would be one of the easiest ones to make a pattern out of because of the fact that it is symmetrical. So to figure out, and it's really easy to measure because you have some nodes. I'm going to get the parallel dimension to. I'm going to go from the outside node to the inside node, and I got 10.79. Now, I reduced this in size quite a bit earlier. So I've set my nudge factor on 10.79. Just hit the plus key, and you can make as many as you want. And then when I said it was symmetrical, it'll go both directions. So you could do that, and then you could weld it and make it all one piece, and then you could make it any color you want, and you see it's gone. Now, what is also cool about this, and it might not be the best way to do it, but you could keep going and put a circle, and I don't know if we can get it right in the center. You know what? Let's make it right in the center. Just the way I do things. Get from that node to that node, and then that node to that node, and that's going to give us a cross line to put our circle in, and it will snap right to it. Let's make it a little bit bigger by holding down the shift key. And let's go ahead and make it that, well, we made it, but I reduced it in size quite a bit. And then go up to object, order, or not, excuse me, convert it to an outline, and then we can left click, right click, and then you can just get rid of these cross lines. Now, our nudge is still the same. So we can just take this and hit the nudge, and it's going to put it right over there. Now, this is welded, so we could grab those 4 or 5, Control D, and move them down. And you could do anything else you want to this. You know, you could have them join. You could put a star in the middle and make it a completely different pattern. And then if we grab them all, and I'm going to left click fill, right click no fill. Let's put a black box around it, and look at that pattern. It really, from a distance, it almost looks like gear teeth now. But you could keep going and put things in here, put another object in there, and because your nudge is the same, it doesn't matter. You can just keep nudging it over. You don't have to. I missed a spot. Let's see if we can just grab those. Look how easy that is. Anyway, just an idea. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.